A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human senses, cosmic bridge linking creator and the created. Ladies and gentlemen, human senses, both known and those yet to be discovered, are not merely biological functions. They are profound instruments gifted by the Master Creator, designed not only to help humans navigate the physical world, but to connect them with the cosmic field and the divine. These senses are bridges, delicate yet powerful, allowing for interaction between the finite human experience and the infinite universal intelligence. While medical science and physiology have mapped many of the 5 primary senses of sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch largely as individual faculties with specialized biological mechanisms, the deeper purpose of these senses remains unexplored. Neuroscience has begun to glimpse their interconnectivity, but what remains largely untouched is how these senses, when aligned and awakened, can function as portals of perception, energy, and transformation. The human sensory system, encoded in DNA and powered by the brain, does more than receive and interpret signals. It generates, exchanges, and amplifies energy, converting perception into consciousness, thought into action, and experience into alignment with the universal rhythm. It is when these senses operate not in isolation but as a synchronized field that the human system becomes a charged instrument of purpose, empowered to unlock its vast latent potential. Ancient Indian wisdom referred to the senses as Indriya, classified into Gyanendriya, organs of knowledge, and Karma Indriya, organs of action. Through centuries old yogic disciplines, these were refined and aligned not just for survival but for elevation, where the energy of the senses was consciously channeled towards expanding awareness and deepening inner stillness. This harmony fueled the awakening of consciousness, allowing the individual to become not just a receiver but a conscious co-creator of reality. In today's high-pressure world of overstimulation and stress, these sacred faculties are often fragmented. screens dominate sight, noise distorts hearing, and mechanical living dulls touch and emotion. Most live with their senses partially engaged, unaware of how transformative their collective power can be when used in rhythm and with awareness. This disconnection contributes to fatigue, mental fog, and emotional imbalance. Yet, when even a single moment of sensory integration occurs, such as in a musician's performance or a child's immersion in nature, the shift is palpable. All senses come alive, synchronizing into a movement of flow where the brain receives a full charge. Such experiences hint at the untapped possibility available to all if nurtured from early life through conscious habits, exposure, and inner attention. What's the way forward? Modern science must now expand its inquiry not only into isolated sensory functions but into their holistic interplay. Each individual, regardless of age or background, can begin simple practices to awaken these faculties. Deep listening, mindful observation, conscious breathing, tactile awareness, and spiritual contemplation. Powering heart, lungs, brain circuit through physical activity while taking sunshine and backed by nutritious food and good water intake could be a game changer. When practiced together, these allow the brain to access higher vibrational states, reawakening the deep intelligence embedded within. This awareness must begin in infancy, guided not just by education but by intentional living, where the senses are nurtured as instruments of both earthly function and spiritual evolution. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita speaks with luminous clarity. The senses, like untamed horses, can drag the mind into chaos. But when mastered through conscious restraint and inward focus, they become allies in liberation. It teaches that through aligned senses, the mind stills. In stillness, the intellect shines, and in that brilliance, the divine self is revealed. This is not allegory, it is the blueprint for awakening. In this awakened state, the senses no longer merely perceive, they reveal. No longer reactive tools, they become radiant channels of dialogue between the created and the Creator. Each human becomes both laboratory and pilgrim, discovering not only new senses but the boundless potential within those already known. The journey is not about acquiring more, it is about remembering deeper. The bridge has always existed. All that remains is to walk it with awareness, alignment, and the silent power of the senses united as one. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.